Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. And today we are on the e-learning platform of ISRO. And here is the courses. There are two courses which ISRO is providing free of cost. And here are the two courses. First of 61st satellite photogeometry and its application, which is start from June 29 and end at July 3. And second is of 60th application of geoinformatics in ecological studies, and it start from July 13. Here is the course voucher of the first course, and here you can learn about IIRS outreach program, means e-learning program, and also about IIRS under Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO is Department of Space. And here are some contact details about if you have any problem on registering in these courses or any other problem, you can contact to them. And here is about the course, what you are going to learn. Course contents are here. In the course content you get photogeometry concept and satellite photogeometry, basics of GPS, many things are there. This course is really free, and course registration details are here. There is a link, you can click on that, you can go through the link, and after that you have to register. But there is an important thing in registering, so I am going to show you here. I am going to now register on this course, online registration. Just click on them, and here is the participant registration. Now we are going to register for it by choosing our course. Here please select course name is here, just click on that, and there you can see there are 3 courses is now free. On dashboard you can see only 2 courses, but here one more course is there, 62th IRS outreach program on geospatial inputs for enabling master's plan formulation, which is start from 27 July. So you can register it from now. And here there is an institute option. If there is many important thing, that is your institute is firstly registered for on this site, and then after you can register for it. So here there are personal details, salutation, your name, full name. You can also register in Hindi, your father's name, your email, mobile number. There is many details which is required to fill up this form. You have to upload many images, many results, marks of your intermediate and 10th board exam. So this is a long registration process. And one more thing, that the registration of your college on this site is via your coordinator, college coordinator, because there is a need of approval by college dean or your college chairman. So it is very important thing. So let's contact to your coordinator to register for this. This is a very important course. If you contact to your college coordinators, then they can easily register your college on this site, because it is very easy process. And here there are many courses which are already registered. You can see if your college are in this list or not. Hope you will join this course. That's much for today. Thanks for watching.